What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, like I've said in the previous video, I'm gonna show you how to use OBS Studio. So the first step is to get OBS Studio, and the way you get OBS Studio is by going on Google and search for OBS Studio. You click on the first link that pops up, and depends on the system that your computer is operating. You're gonna click on these three. Depends on which one your computer is operating. Mine is Windows, so I'm gonna click on Windows. As you can see, the installer is starting to download. Once the installer is downloaded, you click on it and the program will start to download and install into your computer. So I already have OBS. As you can see, this particular screen capture, yours is most likely going to be black because you haven't set up a source yet. So I'm gonna show you how to do exactly that. You can see here you have sources. You want to click on add, and you want to add display capture. If you have multiple displays, you're gonna see a couple of options here. You want to make sure you click on the one that you want to record. You want to make sure that this particular thing is checked. Make source visible. Then you click OK. Then you click OK. And it's done. Now, most likely you would be able to see your screen. I'm going to delete this one because I don't need it. Remove. Yes. And the next step, or the next source that you want to add, most likely if you have a microphone, you're gonna add audio input capture. You're gonna add, you want to select the depends on which one you're using. Then you click OK, and it's kind of like the same step as the previous one. I'm gonna delete this one because I'm not gonna use it. Good. So now you're good to record your screen. I would say that the next step that I would 100% think it's important, and I think it's very good to know, it's the hotkeys. As you can see here, you have start recording and stop recording. Mine it's on start recording, Alt plus Z. Alt plus X is stop recording. Pause, it's Alt plus C, and Alt plus B, it's unpause recording. These are important in order for you to you don't have to click the program every time when you want to stop recording, or pause the video. These are very important. And if you want to see where your video it's saved, you do exactly what I'm doing here. Show recordings, and they're gonna take you exactly where your videos are saved. The problem with OBS is they save your videos in MKV files, which unfortunately on a lot of editing softwares, this file isn't very friendly with those because they don't actually work on editing softwares. So if you want to make it an MP4 file, which it's used all over, you want to click on Remix Recording. I already did that. Clear all items. You click on these three dots. You select the recording that you would like to be remixed. You click on Open. You click on Remix. And as you can see, the file has been remixed. Now you want to go on Show Recordings. And as you can see, my file or my recording, now it's an MP4 file, which I can use it in an editing software, and I can edit my videos and all of that. And yeah, that's basically what I do. This is what I use my this is the way I use it, and I actually want to show you something else. In order for you to make this bigger or smaller, if you want to just record a part of your screen, by the way, you can lock this and unlock it. And locking this means that I'm not gonna, change anything or, work on anything here. As you can see now, I can click on it and I can not change anything in here. If I unlock it, I can click on it and I can make it bigger, smaller, whatever. So if you want to, let's just say, make it bigger or smaller, you want to click on Alt. As you can see now, I'm recording all my screen. And if I want to record just a part of my screen, I can click on Alt and I can trim this however I want. Then once you're done, once you've done with that, you lock the display capture and you're good to go. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.